Hello. I would like to speak about integrated physical therapy and more specifically myofascial release and Craig Cohen, who is my MFR therapist. This form of body work has been absolutely life-changing. I lived with chronic pain for several years. It was a result of multiple athletic injuries that kind of compounded each other, and for which I was left always with pain. I had surgical intervention, which I followed with PT, but really only got to the point of kind of functioning on a daily basis again before I would stop the physical therapy. So I was left with this pain in certain places that medical doctors couldn't explain. It wasn't until I found myofascial release that the entire body was looked at and not just the one body part. So there were restrictions that formed after surgery, issues in alignment of posture, all of which contributed to pain, essentially. And I don't know how many of you have suffered from chronic physical pain, but it is debilitating. It affected my life on every level, including mental, emotional well-being was all affected. I was anxious, I was more depressed, I was less hopeful. It just affected every area of my life. It also stopped me from moving. Like, it would be painful, so I wouldn't move, which only then compounded the pain because I wasn't moving. So it was like this horrible cycle that just kept me trapped. And it wasn't until I found MFR that restrictions were addressed, posture, alignment, everything was looked at, and the most incredible hands ever of Craig Cohen were so therapeutic, or have been so therapeutic. He has this gentle strength that is unbelievably healing. He taps into such deep levels of your body, not just the physical, but also the energetic and the emotional levels that I don't really understand how he does it, but that's why he's the expert. It has been life-changing. It has also affected my metabolism. Like, I've lost weight. I think it's also because I'm moving again, and I love the way it feels to move unrestricted, and I just feel more open, more free, more hopeful. Like, my outlook on life has changed. My depression, anxiety have almost entirely disappeared. It's just the effects I have had from this work have just been so out of this world incredible that I would highly recommend trying it. So don't take my word for it. You don't lose anything by trying it yourself. And I would say that it is so worth being brave, in a sense, and approaching how you've been living and really taking a risk and trying it, because it would most definitely be worth it. So I thank you for listening. I hope this has helped one of you at least possibly consider this form of body work. You won't regret it. And yeah, thanks for listening. Bye.